Away, anana. Girl, there is no other. Girl, be my baby mother. Caribbean girl. I love when you want.
It was brown shade like the others, but I thought I'd do that. Can't see it too good because of the sun. See, that's it up close. It looks really good with that. I didn't mean to make it crackle like that. I'm like, oh gosh, it didn't come out right. My mom says, no, she thinks that's really cool. And when I think about it, that came out really cool. So I did not use crackle paint, but it happened to crackle. That actually turned out awesome, I think now. Yep, this is my little mini Caribbean. With my pool and all that. Thought I'd show you along with it. Yeah, if you see snakes in the pool, they're not real snakes, even though I saw a real snake today. But those are my one snakes that you can grow and they get bigger and bigger. See what they look like in a couple days. And this came out really cool. Life is better at the beach. I actually sprayed paint that, and I was actually going to paint around it with the cedar paint to fix it, but then I thought, you know, I shouldn't do that, because look in the corner there on the left-hand side, a little heart is there. And it seems like when I did that, the little hearts came out because I had a rough time seeing when I was doing that. But that came out neat. It actually looks more Caribbean that way, so I'm going to leave it just like that. Yep, there's my redneck tanning bed in the background. It's covered up because we're getting ready for a big storm tonight, I think. So, I hope you all enjoyed. Okay, I got snakes in the pool. Glow-in-the-dark snakes, and they're supposed to grow. So we'll continue on after they grow. They will get bigger, bigger, and bigger. We'll see what they look like tonight.